Summer is just around the corner, and what better way to prepare for it than with your own homemade summer body lotion? Say goodbye to a store-bought product filled with chemicals and hello to a natural, nourishing lotion for your skin. The first step is to pour your water into a heat-proof mixing bowl. Now, our star ingredient, almond oil. Not only is it a natural moisturizer, but it also has anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. It is suitable for all skin types and will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Now, on to one of my favorite butters, Shea Butter. Shea butter is another fantastic ingredient that is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, making it a perfect for nourishing dry skin. And let's not forget about beeswax, which will give your lotion a creamy and luxurious texture. Now, onto the process. In a heat-safe bowl, combine the almond oil, shea butter, and beeswax. Place the two-phase bowl over a pot of simmering water and let the ingredients melt together. Once melted, remove the bowl from the heat and add the distilled water into the oil phase. And use a hand mixer to blend everything together until you have a smooth and creamy lotion. Lastly, add natural fragrance and Optiphen or any other preservative of your choice to the mixture to ensure the lotion's longevity. And there you have it, your very own homemade lotion. Transfer it into a clean, airtight container and let it sit for a few hours to cool and thicken. Your lotion is now ready to use. Apply it to your hands wherever your skin needs some extra love and moisture. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it worked for you. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural DIY and beauty tips. Happy lotion making and enjoy your summer. See you on my next video.
I woke up, look in the mirror today, yeah. Got so many things that I wanna change, and everybody's got something to say, but that's just who we are. My new clothes don't fit anymore now. Me in the mirror still continue to fall out. I don't like this stranger staring at me, yeah. Oh, my insecurities, wishing for something different. Oh, the things you do to me. Tell me the truth. Are we beautiful? All of us, 'cause we got something natural. It's a part of us, darling, when they put you down like that. Yeah, you can reply right back. You are beautiful. Yeah, I know you are. I know you are. I found myself looking again, wondering why my body doesn't look like them. No, it might sound weird, but I refuse to pretend. And then you probably think the same every now and again. I got more than all these scars. I got flaws and broken hearts. I don't like this stranger staring at me, yeah. Oh, my insecurities, searching for something different. Oh, the things you do to me. Tell me the truth. Are we beautiful? All of us, 'cause we got something natural. It's a part of us, darling, when they put you down like that. Yeah, you can reply right back. You are beautiful. Yeah, I know you are. I know you are. We are beautiful. All of us, 'cause we got something natural. It's a part of us, darling, when they put you down like that. Yeah, you can reply right back. We are beautiful. Yeah, I know we are. We are beautiful.